Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge and Education Hub. In this lecture module, we will learn about the SGeMS software. This is basically a Stanford geostatistical modeling software that is used for kriging and other geostatistical purpose like simulation, realization, and reservoir modeling. First is learn about the how to data construction and for this software. Let's start. Go to the data folder and bring the all data on the Excel sheet. Here this is point data in which X is the sting, Y is the northing, and Z is the elevation, and P is the parameters. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns are given. For this, write the name of the data. There are basically four column. Write 4. This is X. Insert one in blank column. Again insert a blank column. Again insert a blank column. X, this is Y, this is Z is the elevation, and P is the parameters, and delete all this. Bring this to this side. Okay, don't worry, it's not going there. Bring this. Okay. Now save the data as a text file. Okay, close the Excel folder. Open with Notepad. Okay, this is the data for the elevation and XYZ. Okay, before starting, there is something difficulties in this. Bring the all data set with one corner. Insert blank column. One, two, three. One another insert blank column. Delete this. Give the name. Okay, before going, fix the decimal point. Give the name data. this column is X, this column is Y, that is the northing, this is easting, this column is elevation, and this is the geological parameters P. Now save this file as a PRN files in SGeMS folder. Give the name data1. Close the file. Oh, one thing is very important thing has left. There are 4 columns are inside this. Now open the data.1 PRN with notepad. Bring this same place. Okay. Now save this file. Close. Change the extension name. Before changing the extension name, must be close the Excel file. Give the name txt. This is the text file. Okay. We'll open this. And this is the data set for SGeMS software. Now, in next lecture we will learn about how to upload this data on SGeMS software for modeling purpose.